What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Time has come. We're gonna pull this car out, wash it off real quick. I'm gonna take the front end of the car off, back off, which is, there's like no bolts letting it on. It's just sitting on the car. Gonna air up that tire, push the car out into the sun, get all the pollen. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, y'all can see that. Get all this pollen off of here. Wash the car up. I was gonna get a car cover and put on it, and I've run out of time. I do leave today on my deployment, which this video will be out, I don't know, but I'll leave tonight. I'm trying to get this done so I can get this video out there for CODION. If y'all haven't looked them up yet, jump on Facebook, go to the link below, click on the link to CODION's Facebook page, just scroll through. Top-notch product. Y'all saw in the last video the quality of the welds. I'll show y'all again here in a minute. I'm not going to fully weld this thing on today because it is chromoly, so Turbo John's going to come over sometime while I'm out of country and finish welding this thing. But I am going to walk y'all through an installation of this thing. He sent me if you order his kit, he'll email you all the directions for it. But y'all know I did already cut the front of the car off, but I cut it pretty far forward here. So I am going to come in and measure now and cut it where it's supposed to be and all that. But let me get this car pushed out and I'm going to wash it off real quick. All right, got the car washed off. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is get the front clip off. My front clip only has 2 bolts holding on it now. I got a wash this in here somewhere. Obviously, if you have some help, that's a little bit easier. All right, after you get the front clip of your car off, you're gonna want to level the car front to back, side to side. Mine, I got this 3-foot level. Mine is sitting pretty decent right now, side to side. I am gonna lift the passenger side up a little bit. I'm gonna probably just put the car back up on jack stands anyway, because I don't want to sit on all my wheels and tires for the next, go away, for the next 7 or so months. But you do need to get your car level, side to side, front to back. Golly, hold on. Like I was saying, you need to get your car level, side to side, front to back. I have this little tiny level here as well. Use the frame rail to get the front to back, or any place that you know the car is going to be level with the frame rails, because you're going to use the frame rails up here. You're going to have to use a level to make sure this bottom bar is straight off the front of that shock tower. But I'm going to get this car leveled up. I'm probably just, like I said, I'm going to jack it up, get on jack stands, leave it on jack stands while I'm gone anyway. So throw this thing up here, get it on jack stands. All right, don't worry about my wheels saying ka-chow. I'll address that later. But we got the car up on jack stands again. Got it leveled front to back, side to side. I use the bottom side of the frame rail because the top of my frame rail, which you can see my little patch, the top of my frame rail has an angle to it. I could see it with my eye, and then whenever I put the level on it, you could definitely notice. So the bottom of the frame rail, I would suggest using it. It's actually pretty true. And then I have this part of the frame rail, which I guess I should just stick this thing up under the bottom right there. And you can see it's pretty close, so I'm good with that. I can adjust for that little bit. But so there we go, we're ready to start. At this point, I'm ready to start taking some measurements and cutting the rest of this a little bit off. This is the little patch that I put in here. It's not the best of the best, but it does work. So let me flip back over to these directions and we'll get continued on. All right, most of you probably have the whole front of your car on whenever you're starting these cuts, but you measure from the front side of this hole here, that mounting point for your front fenders, and it's 11 7/16. So you'll cut right in here, cut it off, and then this side I cut it off. It's right where I put that patch piece, but on this side you can see this notch here. You're going to go 4 7/8 from that notch forward and make a cut. So I'll probably just go right at 5 inches just to keep a little bit of a lip there. The 7/8 would keep a lip there as well, but I'm just going to cut a little bit forward to keep a little bit more of a lip for me to be able to set the lower bar on. So I'm going to get to marking this stuff out and cut the rest of this front end off. All right, I got these two lower bars on. I ran out of wire in my welder, so I decided to bust this up into 2 videos. Hope y'all don't mind. Honestly, I need the content. I need more videos. But I got those lower bars on. I got the front end cut off, all that stuff. Y'all saw all that. I'm going to go get some more welding wire. The next video is going to pick up of me doing the top bars and starting on the front end bars. But hopefully y'all are following along pretty decently. Let me flip this camera around. The instructions that Codion sent with this kit are perfect. Like, they're to the T. I talked to him on the phone, talked to him on Facebook many times. He said if I had any questions, I got black crap all on my nose. He said if I had any questions, just hit him up. Honestly, I don't have any questions right now. The instructions for this thing are perfect. They're clear. Anybody can do it. I'm not a fab shop. I'm your average Joe everyday guy. Yes, I did put in upper and lower torque boxes. That's the first thing I ever done like this. And this tube front end so far has been a breeze. I honestly have like 20 minutes into it, 25 minutes into it, maybe 30 minutes into it. I don't have a real long time into it. But yeah, I'm gonna run, grab some more weld wire. Next video is gonna pick up on starting on the upper bars. So that'll do it for this one. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.